Let's be real. You've probably seen people online saying, I made $500 in 1 week. And then you said to yourself, why can't I do that too? And you've tried one or two things, maybe watched tutorials, joined the platform, or downloaded a course. And after a few weeks, nothing worked. Then you just got frustrated and quit. Well, if that sounds like you, listen closely because today I'm breaking down why most people never make $1 online and how you can finally change that story. Honestly, I've seen this happen again and again, and it's not because people are lazy, but because they walk in with the wrong mindset. So here's the truth. Making money online isn't complicated. It's just misunderstood. And I'm about to make it simple. So here is the first harsh truth. Most people come online expecting a shortcut, and they think there is one secret website, one app, or one magic method that makes them rich overnight. But at the end of the month, when it doesn't work fast, they just give up. Actually, do you know what really works? It's consistency, learning, adjusting. Every single person who earns online started small, made mistakes, and kept going when it felt pointless. Honestly, you can't treat this like it's a lottery ticket. You treat it like building a muscle, and the first few tries will hurt, but soon you will get stronger. The second reason most people never make $1 online is this thought they have, which is in quotes, I'm not ready. You might say, I don't have experience, I'm not skilled enough, I don't have the tools. But let me tell you something. Everyone you see winning online once felt that way too. Nobody started ready. They became ready by starting. So when I first started, I didn't have a fancy gear. I just had a cheap phone, free Wi-Fi, and a strong desire to make something work. What mattered wasn't what I had. It was my decision not to stop. So if you're waiting for the perfect setup, you wait forever. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. And here is the third truth. Most people get stuck in research mode, watching endless videos, trying to find the perfect idea. But every day you spend thinking about starting, someone else is doing it and learning faster than you. So start messy. You can fix messy, but you can't fix nothing. Now let's talk about how you can actually start earning. Step one is to choose one path and commit. You can start with freelancing, affiliate marketing, selling a skill. It doesn't matter what, as long as you stop jumping from one shiny idea to another. Step two is to take daily action, even if it's 20 minutes a day. You don't need 10 hours, you just need to focus. One task daily is more powerful than 10 tasks done randomly. And step three is to keep learning. You make mistakes, and that's a good thing. Mistakes mean progress. Learn from them, adjust and move. And finally, lead with value. Don't chase money, chase skills, chase helping people. Because when people feel your genuine value, money follows naturally. Now, if you're ready to stop guessing and start building your first real digital income, I created a simple guide that walks you step by step, and it's called Dollar Side Hustle. The link is in the description. This guide is for beginners who want to build something real without confusion or fake promises. Look, I know how it feels to fail, to try things and see no result. I totally understand. But your story doesn't have to end there. The difference between those who win and those who quit isn't luck, it's belief, focus, and consistency. So don't give up. You've got the ability, you've got the time, and you've got the internet. So the next move is yours. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who is still stuck. And if you're serious about starting your online journey, grab your copy of Dollar Side Hustle below and let's grow together. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.